Hey everybody, what's up? This is Drew here, the Gear Dad, coming to you today with another pedal demo. If you head down here with me, we've got the Sawmill Jr. from GizmoAudio. This is truly an incredible pedal. It's a medium light overdrive. It's MOSFET based. It's a real simple setup, but there's so much you can do, so much variability with this thing. Very clear, lots of clarity. Not a lot of mudding up of frequencies and things like that. We've got the drive knob right here. We've got tone, which works post-distortion. So really that's affecting your overdriven signal as well, And your volume right here, which of course controls the output volume, works post-distortion. This pedal's true bypass. It's constructed right here in the United States. It's made out of awesome stuff. I feel like I could drop it off a building and it would work just fine. And last thing, there's an internal switching power. You can work it all the way up to about 15 volts if you just want all that headroom. So let's go ahead and jump in. I'm playing my Fender Telecaster here into my AC15 212. Here's my clean tone. And here's the Sawmill Jr. I have the bass cut switch turned on. And a little later, I'll click it on and we'll bring some of that low signal back in. Let's bring some drive up. Another great thing about this pedal is it really interacts with your guitar the way a tube amp does. Really, your playing can dictate how driven your signal is. Like if you want to play very back off and play very light. It sounds nearly just like my clean tone, and then when I just dig it, and all of those changes are just for my playing, no volume adjustments, no anything like that. Let's play around with this tone. It's really awesome. We've got it set to noon right now, but I'm going to bring it up just a little bit and hear how usable this is. And now I'm going to click on, let's see, the bass cut switch. So we're bringing lows back in on this one. If you want to roll the drive all the way back, you can get very, very clean. I mean, even my clean tone is about louder than that. So a lot of room there. Let's pump it all the way up. We'll bring the tone back down just a touch. As you can see, the Sawmill Jr. is an incredibly versatile overdrive pedal. I really think GizmoAudio hit this one on the head. It's so much fun to use. Really, there's infinite uses for it. It could definitely take the place, I think, of any overdrive on your board, especially being able to bump it up for headroom to 15 volt. I would highly recommend you check it out. I'll put the link for GizmoAudio's website in the description below. And thanks, everybody, for watching. Just starting my channel out, so it'd be a huge help if you'd like and subscribe, and check out my other videos here from the Gear Dad. If you'd like to follow me on not Facebook, on Twitter or Instagram, you can follow me at the Gear Dad. All right, guys, thanks so much. I'm going to play you out with the Sawmill Jr. Thanks, everybody.